find a language partner. Today is much more easy to find someone to talk to. Fortunately, we have internet and we can use a lot of different apps, for example, to learn a language. I will give you some examples of apps that you can use: italki, HelloTalk, and HiNative. You can find a lot of videos on YouTube about how to use each one of these. And I will tell you something that is very useful, because it's not just find someone so you can practice. What I'm going to say will be helpful if you live in a Portuguese-speaking country or not, if you are using one of these apps. We are talking about human relationships. You want to practice a language, but what do you want with this? What's your real goal? Why are you learning Portuguese? Because do you want to understand TV shows? Because you want to travel to Portugal? Because you want to enjoy Portuguese music, Portuguese food, really travel in Portugal and be able to enjoy it as much as you can? And also because you wanted to make friends with natives, right? So when you try to find someone to practice, think, am I wanting just someone to practice like with no emotion? Just, oh, you are native, so please check if my text here is right. You are native, please just check if what I'm saying is correct. Do you want just this? Language feedback? Good, this is good. So if you want just this and you want to find someone to practice, tell them exactly what you want. If you want a friendship, if you really want to enter the Portuguese world, if you want to really have a life in Portuguese and real friendships, if you're looking for this, tell these people that you are looking for this. If you find someone, tell this person what you really want. You can say, Olá, hello, I'm learning Portuguese, eu aprendo português, and I want to make Portuguese friends. Eu quero fazer amigos portugueses. Alright, so sometimes I speak as a native. People come to me to exchange languages, to practice, and we need to remember that we all are human beings, right? So if you really say to people what you really want, and you really try to have a relationship, a friendship with this person, be honest with them. And when you are able to build a friendship with a native, that's when you know that you are really entering the Portuguese world, and you are not just, I am a foreigner and I'm learning Portuguese, I am from this country and I'm learning Portuguese, I want to exchange languages. It's really so much more fun if we are really acting as human beings, like human relationship, instead of just, I want to practice my Portuguese skills. My level is A2 and I want to pass the exam in Portuguese. Give me feedback. I wrote this, can you check? You know what I mean? Hey, thank you for watching and subscribe to receive the next European Portuguese videos. Ciao, ciao!